So, you have an idea for your next video, and you have to come up with the best title. Make no mistake, the title and the thumbnail are what gets people to watch your video. Your title should be unique and eye-catching in a way to build expectations. So, for example, instead of a title like Vegan Omelet, which builds no expectations, you can use How to Make a Vegan Omelet in 5 Minutes. Let's search, for example, the word vegan. As you can see in the title of all videos, we can find the keyword vegan. You can have 1 or 2 keywords in your title, and make sure to put it as close to the start of your title as possible. Let's do another search for a game Hogwarts Legacy, and we can also use the auto-suggest feature to see what are people searching the most right now. And we can see that Hogwarts Legacy gameplay can be our next title. We can also use TubeBuddy or vidIQ extensions to get some better titles and how they rank. So let's say we want to do a video about a movie series, for example, The Flash from Netflix. I will go ahead and enter the words The Flash in the search box here, and using the vidIQ extension, we can see the overall score of our keywords. We can see that the volume is around 80, which means a lot of people are searching for this keyword, but they also have a very high competition, which means that a lot of people are doing a lot of videos on these keywords. The idea is to have a high volume and a low competition. And if we scroll down here, we will see the top related opportunities. Anything in green, like the Flash Season 9 keyword, is much better than the Flash Movie keyword, which has a lower score. So that can be our title, or the keywords that we use in our title. If we click the Show All Keywords button, we can see more of them, and we can pick up the best ones based on the score. Another great way to get better titles is when we publish a video. The vidIQ extension has a feature called Get AI Title Recommendations. If we click on that, we get so many great titles, and we can also refresh them if we want to see more. To see how our title looks on YouTube search on desktop, tablet, and phone, we can enter the search term here and click Preview. This is also helpful to see how our description, and most importantly, how our thumbnails will look like on small devices. If you can add to your title numbers or dates, that would be really good. Let's search for best laptops, and you can see we have here 2022 top 10 and 2022 top 5 and so on. The ideal length would be about 60 to 70 characters because anything beyond 70 characters will have 3 dots instead. A few eye-catching words can be as follows. If we do a search for Photoshop skills, for example, you can see we have powerful, tips and tricks in caps, you need to know, most useful, amazing. These types of shocking words are very important. So probably the best title would start with the keyword or use the how-to or a question, have a date or a number, or even both, and an eye-catching word like new or mistake. Also, make the title about the viewer. For example, is the new iPhone 14 worth buying? Rather than, I love my iPhone 14, which is about your phone. Remember guys, your title must be something exciting in order to be clicked, and I'm sure you'll get the best out of it. Head to the community forum here and ask questions about your titles to get more opinions.